everybody. I'm here with another demo to share with you all. In the last video, we ended off with a sequential implementation plan of do this, then do this, then do this. But a lot of times your problems can be broken apart into a bunch of little tasks that could, in theory, be parallelized. And in this video, I'm going to share a pattern that we've been using to do just that, using, again, the tools that you're already using. And so in this video, we're going to walk through what refactoring might look like using Asana for the task management leading to GitHub PRs. If you're enjoying these videos, I have set up a Substack, works on mymachine.substack.com. You can see the past videos that we've shared and also keep up with the videos as they come out. But with that, let's get to it. So I've set up this sample property management Rails app, which you can imagine might have a property model that has a lot of responsibilities and that grows more and more over time: bookings, images, documents, average rating, amenities, etc. And so the way that we look at this is like, let's analyze this file. Let's figure out all of the refactorings that we would want to do and create tasks for those and go on from there. And so I'm going to kick this off while we're explaining here, Ruby refactor.rb, which what's happening here is it's a bunch of sublayer actions and generators that one takes the file, the app models property.rb, sends it to a refactoring analysis generator to generate an analysis of what we want to, what we're going to need to refactor, come up with a plan of what to refactor, given the analysis and the code, generate a refactoring plan, and then create Asana tasks based on those plans with a priority, with a title, a priority, and what else? Complexity, and then a description for that task. And if you were looking over here to the left, you can see that it actually did go and do that, which we'll jump over and look at what some of these refactorings might look like. Let's say decouple property from document model. That seems reasonable. So decouple property from document model, low priority, medium complexity. It's suggested introduce a document service to manage documents associated with properties, refactor the add document method, use the document service, consider property document join model, etc. The idea here is not that the AI is not going to get this exactly right. But the idea is to, instead of having one, overwhelming PR, to have a bunch of little tasks that you can individually look at and say, yes, we want to do this. This is slightly, this is close to what we want to do, but we actually already have this join model, so let's remove that. And, that task is updated before the AI actually generates the code. So I'm doing this here. There are, maybe 10 tasks. A whole team could be responsible for this. There could be thousands of tasks that are all these small individual tasks. The other thing I, left down the bottom here was this refactoring agent, which is something else that you can have set up, which is watching for activity on these tasks and waiting for events. And so say we were to come into here and say, yes, we actually do want to decouple property model from the document model. We save, we give it a thumbs up, maybe we add additional context, whatever. We give it the thumbs up, and then the refactoring agent is going to get triggered by any Asana event on the board it's watching, get the comment, get the description, get the name, take the refactoring steps, generate the refactoring to actually do, generate the code, create a branch on GitHub, modify the files, and create the PR. And so hopefully it's done it by now. Let's see. Yep. So we come over here to GitHub, and we can see that a new PR was added, refactor, decouple property model from document model. You can look at the files changed, created a document service, created the document service model. It's a toy problem, but I think the point I'd like to make here is that what this actually does is makes it possible for multiple people to work on a bunch of tasks in parallel, to then trigger the AI to do that work for you. But having human judgment gate the AI automation to ensure quality. It's much easier to review a PR. It's much easier to review a task with this, this short of a task, and then it's much easier to review a PR of, 7 lines added, 2 lines removed, and then we can come here and see that there are 3 PRs to then review, all around 23 lines added, 4 removed. But so this is all to say, this isn't just about refactoring. It's about this pattern of fanning out to a bunch of different smaller tasks, parallelizing those tasks, and then reducing it. So creating a bunch of Asana tasks, reviewing those tasks, creating PRs, and then bringing that all back into the code base, which, again, in this example, it's, we're using Asana, but this could be Jira, Linear, GitHub, GitLab. It's all about using the tools that you're already using and infusing them with AI automation in new ways to really leverage what is possible with AI. So if you've made it this far, thank you for sticking around. If you have any other ideas for using this, definitely reach out and let me know. Again, all this code is going to be up and available on GitHub if you'd like to poke around and try it out. Works on mymachine.substack.com, and if you're curious about learning more about Sublayer, sublayer.com, you can join our Discord and come chat with me directly. Thanks again. I'll see you at the next one. Thanks.